Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. I am V if you're new here, and on this channel, I like to encourage, motivate. It is just not only for you, but also for me. A positive mind with action works very well. Being positive all the time is good. Taking actions make it better. If you sit all day and think positive thoughts, that's good. But if you have not taken any steps towards what it is that you need to accomplish, it will not be done. So positive steps with action is what we all need. Today I am using two palettes to create two separate eye looks. The black is from the Milani palette and the orange and that kind of bronze, it's not a bronze. The orange is from Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, and so is the other. It's like a darkish silver with a black base. Today's two-color eyeshadow look is one eye has a darkish silver with a black base and the other eye has an orange with a dark base. The orange and the silver came from Playing in Makeup by Yolanda and the black came from Milani. Enjoy this makeup with inspiration. If you like my content, please consider subscribing and share with somebody else you think that might need an uplifting word for today. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for sharing my videos. Now let's enjoy the video. Today I am reading from the Complete Pocket Positives. And the quote for today, inspirational, motivational word is, problems are a major part of life. Don't worry about why you always have problems. Get on with the solving. Take it from someone who has been there. The solving gets easier as you go along. This is by Sarah Henderson. I am Simply Your Makeup. Self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And go out there. Live life. Live it safe. Live it carefully. Don't do anything to hurt yourself. Go out there, live life. Safe, fun, Be encouraged. Face fear. Stand in front of fear and take steps towards it. Watch it melt away. It is magical how these things happen. I am telling you things that have worked for me. I am nowhere perfect. I am very imperfect as a human being. But I've done a lot of soul work, and that's why I want to keep encouraging others, because I have been through many tough crevices in my life. But I did not let that put me down or let me make the wrong decisions. I have always triumphed. Enjoy life. Life is short, very, very short. You are important to you. If no one else sees you, know that you can see yourself, and you have the power to encourage yourself, even though it is by a little bit. Just sit back, relax, close your eyes for a few minutes and dream of being somewhere you always wanted to be. And then come back to reality. It works. Put some music on. If you can't stand and dance, move your arms, move your legs. If you can't do that, move your head. It will keep you going. Don't stay down. Bye.